Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, this time I want to share with you the other new arrival from MicroTurbo. I thought that this is actually very nice and very interesting. Something very different from the rest of the brand so far. So yeah, let's take a quick look at it, right? So this is actually the latest from MicroTurbo. So it's the 180sx Spirit Rei MIYABI. Okay, so underneath it has that licensed product logo, um, and it does have a couple of things where what did it say? Hood vents with engine display. It does spell out some of its features, and then wheels and tires set with bearings. Okay, interesting. Let's check that out later. And then there's the pop-up headlights switch. So that is something that they have been doing quite well. The pop-up light switch on their cars, on their Miata MX-5, on their what other car? The MR2 as well. So the MR2 itself, I personally collect. The Miata actually there have been quite a few variant already, and I didn't manage to catch them all. Okay, so that one I'll probably let it slide. Yeah, because I can't afford to just keep collecting everything. So the wrapper is slightly different from the other brands. Okay, this is actually a cling wrap. I'll call it a cling wrap. Okay, it's vacuum wrapped. Okay, let's get it out. Alright, I do quite like the packaging. I really like the paint on this one. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, let's get it out straight. So in the meantime, right, help me to hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, I do have a couple of extras of these that they will be made available through Collector's Cube. You can walk into the store in Amcott Mall Level 1. Follow them on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram to check out their operating hours. You can shop through their website. Right now, at this moment, they're actually doing some cleanup on the web store. Okay, so I do hope that together with them, we figure out and clean up the web store, and we can add more new things to it soon, very soon. Okay, so got it out. So packaging wise, the acrylic box seems to be pretty standard. Okay, but on this, right, I do quite like that this doesn't come with that separate sleeve. This is actually printed on the sleeve itself. So this Spirit Rei, okay, this is actually a body part provider, okay, builder in Japan, okay, car modeling art lab. And right now from their website, I do see the Japanese website, I do see they do have the kit for the S13 coupe, and then this the S13 is also known as a 13, right, the 180sx, and also for the Z33, which is the 350Z, the fair lady. So they do have body kits for these three cars right now. Right, very nice paint actually. This, so when I saw this on pre-order, I was like, this is probably gonna be quite interesting, and I am glad that I have this here with me so that I can I managed to spare some time today as well, because I want to make sure I want to share this one with you guys. Okay, nice, got it out. So the screw is still stuck on it. Okay, it doesn't just come off. That's nice. So you actually screw. So mine, let me know about yours, but mine actually, it screws to the base, so it doesn't run around, doesn't go missing with the separate pieces. Okay, right, here we go. I'm going to use the 2x zoom on this guy. Okay, so far for the photos that I've seen online, right, it is actually pretty similar. However, it doesn't have that opening hood with the vent. Okay, so on the real car, I've not seen, they do sell the bonnet, but on their official website they don't have this specific design. So I'm not sure if this specific car is based on a real car as well, because I don't see any photos of this on Google. So if you do know any more information of this car, please do let me know in the comment section below. Cool. All right, so there are a couple of Spirit Rei 180sx around already in the world, but I know there are a couple of them in the US, but specifically this guy, I'm not sure where is it based. Okay, so One of the key difference would be the opened hood with the vents. Okay, they can see the engine detail inside. I do quite like that, rather than, you know, black it out. Okay, like some other brands, but most of the time they are covered in vents. So when you shrink it down to 164, probably, you know, it's gonna be black anyway. But yep, very nice execution from MicroTurbo. Okay, so if we look outside, there is the this guy is it printed or a separate piece? So it's part of a mold. It's a separate piece. That's actually very nice. The indicator. So this is really as per the design of the MIYABI, the 180sx 180sx Spirit Rei body kit. Quite close to the real thing actually. Okay, can see the intercooler down there. Okay, and then if you go to the side now, this is the part where I don't see this fender design on their website as well. The one I've seen, the back I think it's similar, but the front is different. So it could be a mix for the fenders. I'm not exactly sure because I couldn't find photos of the real car. Okay, so that's the side. I really like the paint. You can see how it somehow reflects the lights, right? And it's a pearl white, not the flat white. That's actually very nice. So go to the back. Spoiler nicely done. Bumper nicely done as well, just like the real thing. Exhaust on the left, very very big exhaust on the left. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, actually it does feel very premium. It's die cast. This is not resin, but the price of the well, it's closer to the old prices of resin. The resins now they're gone up to what, 200 ringgit and above, and yeah. So this guy, the MicroTurbo ones is getting higher and higher. However, I do see why. I kind of see why. You can see the interior, right? You see the seat belts. Okay, the 6-point harness seat belts. That detail is done. The back mirror, that is done as well. The dashboard, can we see anything in there? It's black. I do see a little bit of detail in there. Okay, the steering wheel is definitely done quite nicely. Okay, there's a scaffolding in there. The roll cage for the back goes all the way to the front as well. Okay, you can see that there. And the party piece, one of the party piece for this unit would be, where's the switch? Ooh, did my switch just drop all the way in? I think it did. Okay, let's go. Oh, nice. So that's the MicroTurbo party piece. The pop-up lights. Okay, it stays up very nicely. Okay, and you can push it down. Okay, falls flat as well. That's very nice. So now the new addition to this one would be the bearing. What does it say? The bearing wheels, right? Is that what it said? What it says? Yeah, wheels and tires set with bearings. So let's see. Rear-wheel drive, right? Ooh, very smooth, very loud, very nice. You can see the disc brake detail in there. Yep, you can see. Oh, nice. The red calipers as well. This is actually very very nicely done. Oh, even the front, very satisfying. Oh, and it rolls so smoothly. I don't know what's the name of this rims, but very very nicely done by MicroTurbo. Damn, this could possibly roll even faster than Hot Wheels, man. Possibly, but yeah, unfortunately I'm not gonna put it down. I'm not gonna put this guy down a Hot Wheels track, okay? No, because the side mirror is too precious. Okay, the side mirror is too precious. Damn, very very nice. This is actually very very nicely done. Okay, now I want to try something out. No, I can't. So the spoiler is from Spirit Rei as well. Okay, and so the other variant is on that is on pre-production right now, not pre-order, pre-production right now. That's the next variant in red. However, there's one additional function to it, removable spoiler. Okay, so it says on the red one. So this one, I'll just try a little bit, see what anything happens. I'm just worried I'll break it. No, it's not gonna come out. I don't think it's gonna come out. Is it? I thought I lifted up a little bit. No, I'm just gonna leave it. Cool. What do you think? I think this is actually very, very nice. I think this is a very, very nice release from MicroTurbo. Very nicely done. Cool. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, side view, front view. Let me. Oh, okay. I just couldn't get enough of it. Oh man, look at that. Cool. All right. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to hit the like button because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Look up Collector's Cube. I do have extras of them available through them. That's it for this time. Thanks, guys. Bye.